So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you latest important updates about MAGA Coin, its price prediction 2025. Because friends, since long time this meme coin is continuously jumping here. You can see last 30 days jump by 63% here, and since US election, and this meme coin is continuously jumping here. And this was also another Trump theme meme coin, and Trump is the new US president, but this meme coin and all other Trump theme meme coin are continuously jumping here. So is it possible that we can see their fight back here, and is it possible we can see their new all-time highs in coming months, or these meme coin are rugged here? So video is to be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video here. So friends, MAGA hit current price 3.4 times $0.63. That bumped by almost 11% here. This is good. $26 million current market cap, $16 million trading volume in last 24 hours. So this is really good. And 420 billion coin supply, all in circulation. Ethereum ecosystem meme coin. And I can see friends, it's Spotify. Okay, Donald Trump theme meme coin. And we are 91% down the install time high. Okay, 91% down the install time high, because as I told you that after US election, this meme coin and all other Trump theme meme coin are dumped here barely. And right now, this meme coin is also 91% dumped here, and just 81% of the install time low. So we are nearly on install time low here. But friends, this meme coin or super Trump coin or Donald Trump coin or MAGA Trump coin, these all politified Trump themed meme coin will be skyrocket soon. Okay, these are not rugged yet. I don't think these are rugged here. And I'm also investing in these meme coin, okay, monthly basis, weekly basis, for next maybe 8 to 12 months. And in January we can see these meme coin boom here. All politified meme coin will skyrocket in January. And friends, I can see this meme coin is already listed on Gate.io, Hotcoin, XT.com, okay, HTX, MEXC, and CoinX. I'm holding this coin on CoinX exchange. Bioeconomy has already listed. And if these coins are rugged, then these all central exchanges will definitely delisted these coins. But still, there's no any update from any central exchange that they are going to list any Polify meme coins. So it doesn't mean they are rugged here. But no doubt, due to heavy selling from high holding wallets, these meme coins are dumped here barely. That's why everyone is crying here that these are rugged or anything like that. But it's no like that. In January, we can see these Polify meme coins boom here. I can see friends, 23,000 holders already for this meme coin. This is good. Number of holders is good, and these are the top 50 wallet they are holding this coin. Highest holding on Gate.io, where 16% of its supply is hold. Okay, see, number one wallet is Gate.io, where 16% of supply, and OB Global has 5.4% supply, MEXCHT.com. So mostly central exchanges holding this coin. And wallet number 9 is Burned Wallet. Okay, so 1.7%. Okay, 1.7% tokens are also destroyed or also burned forever. They are removed from its circulation supply. So this is good. That's 1.7% supply is burned. And these are other wallets. You can see Bitmart, Bitrue Exchange. So these are holding still MAGA hate coin. So this is bullish thing about this meme coin. So friends, now my price prediction about meme coin is that its current market cap is $26 million, but I think in next month January or in next year January we can see its market cap from just $26 million to maybe $100 million in short term, and in long term maybe after 8 to 12 months from now, this meme coin has the potential to be the next $500 million market cap or maybe $1 billion market cap meme coin, because definitely we can see soon massive boom again for Polify meme coin, for all Trump theme meme coin. And at that time definitely MAGA head coin can perform really amazing. I'm already holding this meme coin on CoinX exchange, but if you're also making investment in this meme coin, make sure to do your own research and then invest here.